We're going to see how you can use the calculator to check if a solution is correct. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up either in Scratchpad, or I could go to New Document. We want to open a calculator. All right, once we're here, say that the equation that I solved, I'm going to type it here. You don't have to do this part until afterwards, but I'm going to put it up so you see 6x plus 7 equals 8x minus 13. All right, so this is the problem that I went through and I worked really hard to solve. All right, now I have an answer, so I'm going to see if my answer is correct using the calculator. So I'm going to clear this really quick so I can show you what to do. So say that I got the answer was -10. I'm going to do -10. I'm going to use the control var so that I get stores, because I'm going to store it as my variable. I'm going to store it as x. Whatever your variable is, a, b, c, x, y, z, whatever it is, that's what you store it as. Okay, you hit enter. All right, so now I told it whatever I type next, wherever x is, it's going to be, I want them to substitute -10 in. All right, so now I'm going to type in the whole equation. So I'm going to have 6x plus 7 equals 8x minus 13. And I'm going to hit enter. And it's either going to tell me true, which is woohoo, I got it right, or it's going to say false. Oh no, got to go check my work. All right, so I'm going to hit enter. Oh no, it's false. That means I did something wrong with my calculations. So let's say I go back and I fix my work and I'm like, oh, signs, darn signs. Okay, so now I'm like, it's 10. So I'm going to store 10 as my answer, hit enter, and then I'm going to type the equation again. So 6x plus 7 equals 8x minus 13. I'm going to hit enter, fingers crossed. True, that means that 10 is my correct answer. Now I can celebrate and I can move on to the next problem. All right, so that's your quick way to use the calculator to check if your answer is correct.